Cink. This is my 97 F250, dubbed Whitey. The engine is a stock bottom end. It's on its third stock bottom end. This particular engine was put in the night before my wedding. A friend of mine brought it from Ohio. We slapped my heads on it. It's got studs, comp cam 910 valve springs seated at 140 psi, Smith Brothers push rods, and that's what's done to the engine. As far as hard parts, it's got full force 300 200s, Spedding 467.7 on an irate T4, custom intercooler piping by Evil Fab Diesel. They did a killer job. It's all one piece. There's only boots at the intake Y off the turbo and on the intercooler pipes. So I wanted to clean it up as much as possible. Stealth SRP 1.1, Gearhead tunes. I also run Tyrant tunes. The Tyrant makes more power, but Gearhead's pretty clean. Beans E-Fuel with a sump. That's basically it. It's real simple. It doesn't take a whole lot of nonsense to make 680 horsepower, but it's got a BTS E4OD. That's the best transmission I could find. It's on its 10th one. It's taken me 10 times to figure out that BTS is the only way to go. So, but yeah, like I said, it's super fun. It's a hell of a lot of fun. It weighs like 5,400 pounds with me in it. So it lighten the tires at like 60 miles an hour or something like that. It's just super fun. And me and my wife will take it to church or something like that, and try to run across cars and stuff like that from stoplight to stoplight. But the quickest the truck's been is 1162 at 115 in the quarter. If I can get it fuel only below 1150s, I'm going to try to spray it for 10s. I know it's a big gap, but I think it can do it, especially with leftover fuel. Goals for the truck, really, I guess, get a stock bottom end 7.3 in the 10s. I don't know. I'm kind of at a point now where I got to start putting a cage in it. If I go any quicker, 1149, they say I got to have a hoop and harnesses. I just don't want to start cutting the truck up. It's all original. It's factory paint. The only thing that's been painted on the truck is the tailgate right now. I have a grill for it, but it's sitting on standby right now. I kind of have a buddy riding with me on the front. So I think a year and a half ago, I lost a good friend of mine, Justin Knoll. And I normally have a white grill where the inserts are painted white. I don't know, just something told me. We were in the shop messing around one day, and I had a LMC grill sitting up on the shelf, and I didn't want to run it because it didn't line up quite well. And he said, "Man, well, heck, mine's got like 400,000 miles on it. I'd like a cleaner one." I said, "Heck, you take that one, just leave yours." The other day I was digging around the shop, and it presented itself to me, and I said, for today, I got to have it on there. So Justin's riding with me. It's kind of cool. It's a cool feeling. And I hope he's watching over today and have some fun.